man named Robin lived in a village called Madison. Robin had a garage in that village where big vehicles were brought. But Robin was a greedy person. He used to keep the cars for 2-3 days when they were brought in that garage. He used to drive the cars and have fun in the village. Many good cars come to my garage. Why not rent them? I will have double profit. Thinking this, Robin comes home.
Today you are very happy. What happened?
Hey, today I had an idea which will double our profit.
How is that? Did you start a new business?
Oh no, I am planning to rent out the cars that are brought in garage on hourly basis. This will help us make lots of profit.
What if you get caught?
Only if somebody finds that out. The next day, a new car is brought in Robin's garage for servicing. Hey Robin, please check the car. There is some noise in there. I don't know what happened. Okay Simon bro, please leave it here. I will check it tomorrow. Today I have lots of work to do and so I will not be able to work on it today. Okay, take your time. I will come day after tomorrow to take it. Yes sir. Simon goes leaving the car there. After Simon left, Robin fixed the car. After fixing the car, he roams about in the village and parks it in a queue. A man comes there. Hey Robin bro, is there a car for rent? I need one to go to the nearby city. For how many hours do you need it? I need it till the evening, Robin. I will charge hourly rate. It's okay. The charge will be rupees 500 per hour. Yes bro, it's fine. I will take this car. That man takes the car and drives it to the city. He brings back the car in the evening. He gives Robin his money and leaves. Robin cleans the car again and keeps it aside. The next day, Simon comes to take his car back. Robin returns Simon's car to him. He charges a lot of money to him as well. Now Robin's business started running fast. He used to hold someone or the other's car in the garage and rent that to someone else. This doubled his profit. Robin had turned out very greedy. One fine day, a luxurious car was passing through their village. The roads of the village broke the car. The car owner was a rich man. He saw Robin's garage and came there to call Robin. Buddy, my car broke down. Can you please check it? Yes, sir. What happened? And where is your car? Come with me. Robin goes near the car.
क्लोजअप अब ट्रिपल फ्रेश फॉर्मूला के साथ मुंह के कोने कोने की सफाई करें और 99% तक कीटाणुओं से लड़े। आपको 12 घंटों तक तरोताजा रखने के लिए
हो गया क्या?
क्लोजअप ट्रिपल फ्रेश फॉर्मूला।
And is amazed after seeing the car. This car is so beautiful. I have never seen such a car in my life. What did you say? Nothing, sir. Anyway, the tire needs to be changed and servicing is also needed. Yeah, so do whatever is needed. It won't take long. Yes, sir, that's fine. But I work alone in my garage, so it will take some time. You leave the car in the garage. I will complete the servicing by tomorrow. You can come and take it tomorrow. But it takes maximum 2 to 3 hours to do that. Yes, sir, but I work alone here. And we don't have new machines like that in cities. So you will have to bear with this. Okay. Let me find a place to stay here. Okay, sir. The rich man left the car with Robin and went away. Robin fixed the car by the evening and went to tour the village in it. After that, Robin brought back that car to his garage. There came a man to ask him for a rented car. Hey Robin, buddy. This car looks great. I wanted it for an hour. I am going to meet a girl for marriage. This is a very costly car. The charge will be high for this. How much? The charge for this car will be rupees 5,000. It's okay. Here is some advance. Can I take it now? Yes, you can take it. And if anything happens, I will charge full money. Yes, it's okay. I will leave now. David was driving that car through the village and that rich man saw his car. He was very angry seeing this and decided to teach Robin a lesson. After 2 to 3 hours, David brought the car back to the garage. With the rate of rupees 5,000 per hour, you have to pay rupees 10,000 for 2 hours. Here is your money. Anyway, you're not going to spare your money. David left the car in the garage and went from there. Robin once again got attracted towards that luxurious car, and he thought of taking another tour in the car. He took the car out of the garage. While taking it out, the car had a scratch. Robin was worried seeing that scratch. He applied some chemical to remove the scratch, but it could not be removed. Then he thought, I will have to do something for this or else I will be caught. Let me apply color on this. It will dry up till tomorrow, and the man will not even come to know about this. After applying color on the car's scratch, Robin goes home closing the garage. The other day when he came to open the garage, then he saw that the rich man was standing there to take his car. Robin got anxious seeing him there. The man brought the police with him. But Robin didn't know about this. Sir, you came quite early. Servicing of your car is done. Let's see what kind of servicing you have done. Did you say something? Nothing. Open the garage. Now Robin opens the garage and brings that luxurious car out. The car owner checks his car carefully. He starts looking at the place closely where there was a scratch. Seeing all this, Robin gets worried. It smells like paint. No, sir. You are telling lies. You rented my car, drove it, and even put a scratch on it. Now I will show you. Inspector, sir, it was my mistake. Please forgive me once. I will never do that again. Take him away. He plays with others' vehicles to earn extra money. Your place is in the jail. Inspector took him to the police station and put him in jail. The rich man took his car and went away. And Robin's garage was shut down forever. This story teaches us that the end of dishonesty is always bad.